Okay, welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where you will learn different functions and formulas. Today I will teach you how to use Excel. Also, I will explain to you so as you can know what is Spreadsheet and what is Excel, and also I will explain to you the importances or function of Excel. Okay, by introduction now, what is Spreadsheet now? Spreadsheet is a computer application that displays a series of columns and rows. So Spreadsheet means series of columns and rows in a computer, the series of rows in a computer. And series of rows and computer can be either in Excel or in other programs. So Spreadsheet is an application or computer application that displays a series of columns and rows. That is a spreadsheet. Okay, where a column are labeled along their column headers from A to Z or A to and so on. So columns are represented by letters from A up to Z next. So columns are vertical lines which are represented by letter, whereby rows are horizontal line which is represented by number. So the horizontal line in spreadsheet is what we call rows. And in a spreadsheet or in Excel, rows are numbered from 1 to 65,000 and 536. So this is the number of rows in a spreadsheet. Yeah, so in a spreadsheet there is a cell. So what is cell? Cell is the intersection of rows and columns. The cell is the intersection of rows and columns. Also in a cell there is something known as cell address. Cell address identifies a specific cell. So the cell address is like a name, the name of a cell. Column letter, then row number. So the cell address are named by starting with the column letter and the row number. As I told you that the column are represented by letter, whereby row are represented by number. So the cell address are named by column letter and then row number. For example, C1. So this is a cell address of that cell, C1 or AZ, this one. Active cell. Active cell is a blank border or address displayed in name box. So by other meaning, you can say active cell is the cell that is in use, which is represented by black border. Cell is which is in use. So what is the importance of using spreadsheet now? The spreadsheet has many importances. First, it provides features that can be used to automatically update a document when some figures are altered without necessarily performing calculations. So this is the one of the importance of using spreadsheet. So you can update different documents by using spreadsheet. Also, it allows you to enter organize, compare, and print data, including graphs. As we know, you can use a graph or you can draw a graph in Excel. So Excel or spreadsheet allow you to organize, you can arrange, you can organize, and you can show the differences between one data and another data by using graphs. So this is the importance of spreadsheet. Also, when Excel or spreadsheet applied correctly, spreadsheet results will always be correct. So spreadsheet results to the correct data when applied correctly. Also produce a network in a variety of professional working formats. So when you use Excel and you are professional on the spreadsheet, your work will be neat and will look good. Also content rules that provide additional supports for writers such as spell checking and punctuation. So also Excel or spreadsheet contain tools that provide additional support. So when you write, there is a support you can gain in a spreadsheet. For example, you can correct the spelling or punctuations. Also produce easy portable documents that can be easily converted into other forms of visualization such as graphs and charts. So you can get portable documents, and also you can convert in different formats, either in graphs, charts, or you can convert it to PDF and other formats. Also offers powerful features to organize data, manipulate data, database verification of data, and transfer data. So these are some importances of using spreadsheet. So what is the use of spreadsheet? You can use spreadsheet in manipulation or analysis. Also is applied in fields such as accounting, because spreadsheet containing formulas and function. So always spreadsheet can be used in accounting, in budgeting, because there is a formulas, so you can use formulas in accounting, budgeting, sales, forecasting, financial analysis, and scientific field, because spreadsheet has a formulas. Also research. Also in management and administration, you can design different forms in Excel. For example, school budget, school calendar, you can design a school calendar by using Excel, because there is different rows and columns. So you can use different columns and rows to design a school calendar, or you can use spreadsheet in school budgeting. Also in database, teachers and student information, you can enter teachers and students information as a database, because Excel itself is a database, because it stores different datas or information or different institutions, because have more columns and rows. Also measurement and evaluation of learners' achievement, keeping student assessment records, analyze student examination results. You can analyze student examination results, because there is different formulas which can be used to prepare student examination results. For example, you can calculate GPA, student GPAs, student points, can calculate total marks average, you can determine the first student or last student and best student by using spreadsheet. Also, so what is the example of spreadsheet? There is Excel. Excel is one of the example of spreadsheet which is mainly used. Also, you have Lotus 1/2-2-3, Open Office, Apple iWork Numbers, Quattro Pro, and so on. But mostly used spreadsheet is Excel. Okay, so now what is Excel? Always we say Excel, but we don't know the definition of Excel. So by explanation, Microsoft Excel is an example of spreadsheet program. So Excel is one of the examples of spreadsheet program because I told you that spreadsheet means the collection of rows and columns. Rows and columns is what we call spreadsheet. So Excel is one of the example spreadsheet because Excel contains rows and columns. So Excel is an example spreadsheet program that will maintain records for you relating to financials, student marks, activities, events, and services. It allows you to interorganize, compare, and print data including graphs as we see in a spreadsheet. So because Excel has different formulas, because it's one of the examples of spreadsheet, so we can store students' marks and we can calculate students' average, total marks. We can calculate different functions in Excel. Also, we can relate financial issues. We can organize. Also, we can compare data. That is Excel. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Before I quit, let us see now. When you say cell address, is this one. For example, C2. This one is a cell address. This means this cell is in column C and the row number 2. So this is the cell address. So the cell address of this cell is this one is C2. This one is C2. C2. So this is the cell address of this cell. This is in column C and the row number 2. When I say this one is F and row number 8, so this is the cell address of this cell. Also, this one is the active cell. Active cell is a cell that is in use. When I press in this one, it means that this one is in use. I can write anything. This one, so this is in use. Always is bolded. Okay. So as you see, Excel, as I told you, that Excel have different rows and columns. And our normal use, we cannot complete all these rows and columns. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more videos from this channel. See you in the next video.